Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name is Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and spring is in the air. So these are the new releases for April. They will be launching on Friday at 10 p.m. GMT, but they are up on the website now, so you can sign up for the wish list if you want to, which is where you will get sent an email when they are in stock. But we've gone for 2 trays, but we have gone for 2 different colours this time. So this is a new colour. This is yellow and it's a pale yellow. So to confirm, we have done a yellow before. However, it was a very dark yellow. This one is a springy pastel yellow, and that is in the full size Add More Zest tray. And for Zesty, we have gone for pale blue. Now, we have done a pale blue before, and can I see mine? No, I can't. There it is. We have done a pale blue before, but we did it in the larger size. So we've done the pale blue in the Zesty size this time. And alongside those 2 new releases is our Add More Zest pen, which I think is absolutely funky. This is a limited edition pen, but this is a nice green and yellow. Really spring. Spring, Easter, lots of nice bright colours. You do of course get some extra tips and a straightener as well to go with your pen. But that is the launches for April. A little bit more subdued this month, but we do have a new puppy, so it has been extremely busy. But I say they are on the website now for you to look at and be able to see the descriptions, determine whether there is anything else that you may want to add to your basket to save on shipping. And they will launch Friday at 10 p.m. GMT, so do check what that equals in the time zone you're in. But thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.